Hi everyone, this is Ivan, co-founder at CoinLive. Just to inform that we've published once again the crypto recap for February 14th. However, we want to also offer this format in video version. I think that this is going to help us to reach out even more people out there. Be reminded that the website is going to be launching just in a matter of days. We not yet know if it's going to be on Friday or on Monday, but we'll let you all know about it. Now, legal disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The content being presented is only for informational purposes. That being said, let's get into it. The market has seen a much rosier picture in the last 24 hours, as one can observe by the percentage gains that we've seen in the last 24 hours. There have been injections of capital entering the markets, taking the total market value into new marginal highs for February. One will notice that by coming into the crypto market capitalization here at coinmarketcap.com, and you'll notice that we are reaching new highs in market capitalization, breaking, if only marginally, this peak around February the 11th. The volumes coming through the books of the major exchanges also saw a major pickup. Binance, Bittrex, Bithumb, Bitfinex all up by more than 50% in the last 24 hours. Huobi and OKEX were up 30 and 15% respectively, while GDAX has been the outstanding performer with 200% up in volumes. We must say that Litecoin has been the main catalyst. It's seen a major rise on transactions in GDAX, so that's something to bear in mind. Now, looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, let's just touch on Bitcoin real quick. The daily candle has closed at the highs of the day, and that only reinforces the picture and the prospects to see further gains moving forward. Also, the volume has been picking up. Prior to this candle in green, we saw a low volume candle rejecting 9,000, and one can check our previous video. We were saying that if you get a low volume rejection ahead of a resistance, there is potentially going to be a reattempt of buyers testing again that level, and we've seen that volume increasing. So it's a positive and encouraging sign all around. And if we drill down into the 1 hour, just a very educational note here. In terms of volume profile, the acceptance above 9,000 as being reflected by this POC, point of control, should translate and means that there is equilibrium, there is acceptance above the 9,000. Buyers and sellers agree on this being a level that it is accepted, okay? And that is good, it's positive for Bitcoin price. Some of the latest headlines in the crypto space included Ripple. One can come into our first column and check this news. Western Union is now conducting a pilot test of the Ripple technology for money transfers. We also saw the latest hardware update from VeChain. So one can come into our first column and find out more about this latest, as they call it, sneak preview of the tech updates on the VeChain ecosystem. One can play the video and get more insights into what's going on in that project. One of the hottest news that we got to cover in recent days, it's Litecoin, and the LitePay is going to be officially launching on February the 26th. So let's just type LTC and we'll be able to find out the barrage of positive news that have been coming through in recent times in Litecoin. You will notice that the Lightning Network, one of the analysis that we've conducted in the last 24 hours, continues to be adopted on a steady pace. Also, as I said, the Litecoin official is going to be launching on February the 26th. Coinbase is implementing a PayPal-like functionality that is going to be including not only Litecoin but also Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Another piece of information that we want to highlight, we believe that it is great and insightful, is industry news. Let's type North America, and one will be able to click on Block One's Tama Churchhouse, sharing some great insights from the Satoshi Roundtable. Now, as a reminder, the Satoshi Roundtable, it is the largest gathering of the top brightest minds in the crypto space. It took place earlier this month, and they discuss and talk and share the most pressing issues in the blockchain space. And one of the main takeaways is that rather than the discussions being centered in scalability for Bitcoin, it turns out that the majority of focus for this year's Satoshi Roundtable was on regulations, something that is, as the IMF chief just said the other day, and we believe that it is going to be, coming to fruition, and more regulations, if only semi-regulations, will come into effect late in 2018. So that was one of the most pressing issues that Tama Churchhouse from Block One shares. He was one of the attendees, so it's great to listen at this podcast. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for your attention once again. I hope that this video version of the crypto recap is helping you to make better informed decisions about the crypto space, and we'll be back tomorrow with more and better news. Thanks.